Apple TV flashing? Here's how to fix it. Apple TV flashing? Here's how to fix it. Apple TV flashing? If you have an Apple TV, you know that it can be a bit challenging to get it to work again, especially if you're not familiar with how the device works. In this article, we'll show you the steps you can take to fix the problem. If you're still stuck, you can always contact Apple's Support Center. Their team of technical specialists will be able to assist you and resolve the issue in a much faster manner. The first thing you can try is resetting the Apple TV. If the light on the box is blinking randomly, it could be indicating a problem. If the light is blinking continuously or rapidly, it may be because of a hardware problem, or it could be that the unit has recently been turned off or has a new battery. Whatever the case, these are simple fixes. Hopefully, these tips will help you get your Apple TV back up and running again. To begin, you should download the latest firmware from the internet. If you do not have it already, go to iTunes and download the latest version. Select your Apple TV and click the Start Repair button. Once the repair is complete, your Apple TV should be free of errors. You should then try restoring it to its original settings. When you have the latest firmware, your device should be ready to use once again. If the light continues to blink, you might need to reset the Apple TV. Fortunately, you can also use iTunes or Finder to restore the device. To do this, you must first disconnect your Apple TV from your computer and then connect it to a Mac or a PC. This will enable you to download the latest software and restore your Apple TV. You'll want to keep in mind that the light on your Apple TV will likely blink repeatedly if you're trying to watch a movie. If the light on your Apple TV is flashing rapidly, you may need to perform a factory reset. This method is not recommended but is a simple solution for the intermittent flashing issue. Once you've done this, you'll be able to see that the screen on your Apple TV is flashing again. If you continue to experience the problem, you may need to do a restart. This will force the device to restart and will fix the problems it's having. If your Apple TV's light is blinking rapidly, you'll need to reboot it. A software update on your Apple TV will cause the light to flash in rapid succession. If the light is not flashing after the reboot, you can try rebooting the device manually by holding down the down and menu keys. Then, try to unplug it for a few seconds. Then, re-plug the device to see if this fixes the problem. After a reboot, the light on your Apple TV should stay on. If the light is flashing rapidly, you can try to restore it using iTunes. You'll need to be sure that you're using the right cables. If the light is flashing intermittently, you may need to reset it manually. It's best to use iTunes or Finder to fix the problem. If you can't figure out the cause of the issue, try one of these methods. After you've rebooted your Apple TV, you should be able to restore it to its previous state. It will have no errors if the firmware update process is interrupted. If you're having trouble finding a fix, force restarting your Apple TV may solve the problem. Alternatively, you can reboot it manually, if you can't find the exact solution. But you should be sure to back up your Apple TV first before you attempt to make any changes. Usually, the flashing light on your Apple TV means it has encountered a problem downloading the latest firmware. Often, the solution is to restart your device. Then, wait for a few minutes to make sure it's working properly. In the meantime, you can try restoring it from iTunes by plugging in your Apple TV and confirming its information. After that, the screen will flash intermittently again. Pinterest, Twitter, Reddit, podcast, Apple TV blinking light.